Good morning everyone. I'm Anvesha, a member of CoreCraft, is presenting a project before you all. This project tackles water pollution and by factories discharging untreated wastewater in fresh water supplies containing heavy metal and toxic chemicals. This results in waterborne diseases like cholera and typhoid and ensure harmful chemicals to leads to our harm our ecosystem pollutant in the food chain also. This project is a process based solution. This is a multi-stage natural filtration system. It uses natural things like sand, pebbles, twigs, or you can use agricultural waste. First we will make a wall made of net which will where the garbage will stain and the water will passes through to the sand and its sand's fine particles will keep the impurities and the water will move to the next step, pebbles. When the water will pass through the pebbles minerals and some impurities will remain over here and the water will move forward with minerals. In this third step, twigs is also you can use agricultural waste. It's a biodegradable waste, so you can also call as manure. You can also exchange agriculture waste with manure with farmers. So when the twigs combine, they form a unique pattern where the water will passes through. In the passing through of the pipe, between the pipe we will use a wire dasher, which will be containing the other impurities will remain over here and the water will come through. The purified water with chemical will come here in the container. You will think why we have made container. Factories are usually made in high-tech cities like Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai and other cities. Everyone says don't take a bath in the first rain. Why? It's because it's an acid rain. Acid rain water can be contained over here and when we will pass through the pipe of fresh water, we will use semi-permeable membrane. It will convert it to chemical water into fresh water so that no harm will be caused due to chemical and no people will die due to this. This all I have made this project. So thank you. Have a nice day ahead.